Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cece. I hope you see something today that inspires you to subscribe. And this is my channel where we discuss all things glamping, family, beauty, and fun. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay. So we are cleaning up the RV today because she's going to be serviced later on this week. But before we take her in, we want to make sure she's clean because we just got back from Carolina Pines. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. The boys are on the stairs. Can I get in? Can y'all say good morning? Hello to the people?
Good morning.
You said good morning. Okay, can you let me in? Can I get in? We got the generator going because, like I said, we're at our storage facility and we just wanted to make sure she was clean. So you guys are gonna be cleaning with me today. So we're gonna start in the back. So I am just pulling everything out and I'm just gonna organize it and put it all back.
But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever.
So if you camp, especially if you camp with kids, you know that a first aid kit is a must-have. And you also know that you're gonna need Benadryl and Band-Aids and some Neosporin for those boo-boos. So if you know, you know.
Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of
I know that I have an absurd amount of towels, but camping in the summer requires that for all the pool and water activities. But this mini iron, baby, she's perfect. I got her on Amazon. If you need one, shop there. I promise you, sometimes you just need a little mini iron, and this one is perfect.
That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
What you got for me? Grayson.
I'm gonna help him up close it. He's trying to...
Oh, thank you. Can I get kisses? Thank you. I left the sound in on the shower cleaning scene just for a little, ASMR. This is my first time ever doing a video like this. So y'all let me know what y'all like. Do y'all like the music and just let it play? Or do y'all like me talking? Do y'all like the little ASMR vibes? Let me know.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
Okay, y'all, in my defense, there's 5 of us, and my kids like different things on different days, and I just wanted to make sure they had enough snacks. But pulling everything out let me know that maybe I go a little overboard in the grocery store, but maybe not. I don't know. Let me know. Do y'all buy a lot of snacks before a trip?
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall.
Alright, you guys, well, that concludes cleaning the RV. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.